So this bag installation is relatively very easy. I have this loop thingy and I'm going to go ahead and put it right through here. Now there are some wires here, so just be careful. Make sure you don't get it over the wires. Just get it at a clear area to prevent from pinching the wires. And you just go ahead, put the loop through here. There's an elastic band where you can hold that, and just like that, we have it looped in right here. So we have our connection to our bag over here. And now what we're gonna do is just go ahead and insert our clip inside, and then boom, there we go. Now we have this long loop from this side of the bag, and now we're gonna go under. I believe this is the clutch wire, so you're gonna go under the clutch wire, right? Like so. Under this hose, right? So that way nothing gets pinched. Just straighten all this out. All right, and over this cable, right? Like so. And now we're gonna work on the other side. So now we're gonna go under the chassis and straight up. Don't pinch these cables either. We're going under this cable. And then we're just gonna go ahead and finish it off here. All right, and then we're just gonna go ahead, tighten this up. There is an elastic band that you can bring up to this side and then just loop the loosey-goosey into the elastic band. So on this side, I looped it the same way. You should have a serial number here, and I just looped it over there. Don't forget to like the video. And now we're gonna go ahead and clip it onto this side. Just like that. Boom.